Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is a quick unboxing. I just got my Jetpens order. So I ran out of the blue-black zebra serrata pen that I love using. So I ordered a few, but I also ended up ordering other stuff, honestly, just to get the free shipping, because why not? So I'll show you what I got. Because when I was looking, well, the black I use in another notebook, which I think it fell in my purse, so I have to look for it. And brown, I have the brown in the vintage color. And I've always loved brown. When I was in high school and I used fountain pens in Europe, I used fountain pens a lot, I would have brown ink. So this one is a little bit thinner, so I got this. I got two of each because I'm seeing that, you know, I do write a lot, and I got this color. You guys, look at that gray. I'm hysterical over this one. I got two of these and then two blue blacks. Really excited. This, yes, I got another mechanical pencil. It's the Pro Use Platinum Japan. I think it's a 0.3 milliliter. I didn't use pencil for a while. I was just drawing really fast. It does make the process a little bit longer, but I do really like it. And then I got a Midori clear cover for another A5 because I only have that one for the cousin. I don't use it on my morning pages, but I do have a Scalogy in A5 that I have on the side. I just wanted to have an extra cover, and since I needed to get, I think it's like $30 before you get free shipping, so I figured I would get that. And then I also got some, I believe they're Midori poofy stickers, which oh gosh, I love Japan. Never been, but I've always had a fascination for it. So I thought these were so cool, I had to get them. And this is basically the, yeah, Midori MD notebook cover. It's the one I have on here. This is just an old one, and it's the one I have on my A6. Which I don't know if I have it on this one. Yes, I did. So I have that on my A6 as well. And they're both this one, the MD. And so yeah, that's it. It was a really small order. I'm really excited to try the gray color. Like ridiculously excited. What is this? Oh, some plant. And the brown in 04. I know it's not a huge difference. These are 0.5 and these are 0.4, but I was hoping, I'm very sloppy. I'm trying to be better about my handwriting. So the thinner the pen, the better, usually. So that's why I like 0.3 better. But yeah, that's it. I hope you're all having a good day, and bye-bye.